ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Secretariat Henin Kesngi ka arpa aturik nailur arjar pusan kalathung ya ukulstain langdo kumu Chief Whip ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ubadai na kumsning constituency badak jo kopor ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kalathung ro ya uba runi wilangdo kumu Deputy Chief Whip ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ia kene lapuntip Henin Kesngi da Dr. Andrew Simon Commissioner and Secretary ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly bat kumbasukan mau kendian uba runi wilangdo ulalong uwe naki para male bakadoe nakaseng Kongres hakabandrung syakaseng NPP hakini kipnai baladem bat menta ulalong UDPT Chief Whip ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly.